I found a few multifamily properties you can buy in Virginia with no money down, but there's a few caveats, so hear me out. Because in 16 days, I'll be reopening my membership, but I know not all of you are ready to buy rental properties. Some of you are just trying to get into your own home, which is why my assistant and I make videos to help you with that process. Back to Virginia. So here are a few caveats before we get into the properties. To start, this is where I live, and I won't tolerate any slander from someone who can't afford to save in the city of their choosing. I'm sure Portland is fun, if you have some money. Number two, if I wasn't retired, I would be teaching and I can afford any of these properties on that salary. And number three, I like free. And one of these programs is offering to pay 20% of your purchase price just as a gift. I'm a billionaire. With that, let's get into the properties. Let's start with this duplex in Charlottesville, a little dated, but you're paying for the location here. Each side is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. This is your living room, your kitchen, one of your 3 bedrooms, and your full bathroom. Your mortgage for this duplex would be right under $2,800, but there's 2 things to consider. Number one, this $100,000 down payment not only is free to you, but means you don't have to pay mortgage insurance like usual FHA loans. And number two, a 3-bedroom in Charlottesville right now could rent for like $1,800. That means your mortgage for a 3-bedroom in the city will be about $1,000 a month. Would you take the money? I can get you something a lot nicer and a lot bigger if you're willing to drive 20 minutes though. This is a single family in Waynesboro, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, listed for right under $280,000. Here's your exterior, living room, kitchen, one of your 3 bedrooms, one of your 4 bathrooms, and your plot. This mortgage is a little more at $1,600, but you don't have any tenants. Again, the $55,000 down payment comes through the grant. And I mean, you have a good amount of space. But no, okay, you do want the multifamily, you are willing to drive the 20 minutes, and you do want something that's not as dated as that first property in Charlottesville. Here's a triplex in Waynesboro. Listed at $530, 2 of the units are 1 bedroom, 1 bath. One of the units is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Currently used as an Airbnb, all furniture conveys. This is your living room, your kitchen, one of your bedrooms, and one of your bathrooms. This mortgage, again, with the $106,000 grant from the program, will be right under $3,000. But here's the kicker. Long-term 1-bedroom rentals rent in Waynesboro for between $800 and $1,000, which will bring your portion down to $1,000 if you took the 2-bedroom unit. But midterm rentals start at about $1,500. So if you rented out those 2 units to like traveling nurses, you could live there for free. And short term starts at about $80 to $100 a night. So one unit could pay for your entire mortgage, while the other one could double your profits. Would you take the money for free now? But if you're thinking to yourself, hey, I don't want to move to Virginia, but I'd be willing to buy those as rental properties, man, I got something to tell you. That's what the membership is for, which reopens on June 21st with the info session registration opening June 7th. But if you saw those options and thought, I need to buy that as my primary residence, continue to watch the videos. We will help you get that house this year. Hope that helped.